Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am blessed yet again. I can't even believe Tammy sent me another happy mail, and I'm all excited. This is from Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and I am excited to open it. She has her card on the back. Let me grab some scissors. All right, I want to open carefully, very, very carefully. You never know. Sometimes there might be a note on a sheet of paper or something. I know I put those in mine, little notes and stuff. Sometimes they get tight. Oh. Oh my, oh my. Oh, I love anything bicycles. Darren and I are cyclists. Oh, look at that. I love these. Oh my God, look at these. Tammy, I don't know where you found these prints, but I cannot thank you enough. Two cans, aren't they cute? Little card, yes, and there's something here, a necklace. Cool, cool, cool. Hi, Marna, so glad you're back on the bike and on the men. Enjoy, Tammy. Thank you so much, Tammy. I had an injury and I was off my bike for a while. Darren and I are cyclists, and in fact, today I'm hoping to get back to a 17-mile ride. We'll see how it goes. I'm taking some packages to the post office. My little kind of me is standing here. She looks a lot like I did when I was young. I used to tan, always in bell-bottom jeans, barefoot, kind of sexy tops. And my hair did look a lot like this in the summertime. It's not like that anymore, but anyway, and I had bangs for a while. Tammy, I'm excited. My little kind of me is going to have something out of this pretty quick. Oh, I honestly, if you said which one's your favorite, I could not choose. Won't that be cute with a little top with that in the front, or perhaps this? I wonder if this will work out it would for a midi Blythe or a Barbie, but I wonder if it would for the miniature Blythes. Maybe have this in the front of the shirt and then cut this so that that's the skirt. Oh my God, I love, 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 love this. I'm also gonna make a little, I was just talking about a pocket on my jeans, and I am gonna use this. Oh, thank you. Oh, wait. Let me open this.
But wait, there's more.
Oh, I'm so excited about the fabric, I forgot. Oh, I'll be wearing this. In my bathroom, hanging from the mirror, I have necklaces that have bikes on them when I'm not wearing them. So this has a place even when I'm not wearing it. Oh my, oh my. Oh, and it has a basket. For those of you that don't know, I have a 6-pound Yorkshire Terrier that rides in my bicycle basket. Tammy, I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, that is the coolest. I don't know if you can see the bling at the hub of the wheel. It's 2 different color wheels. I'm just digging that. Oh, and I love the chain. Thank you. I don't know where can they see it best? Oh, I love that. Oh. Thank you so much. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.